Now that the temperature is good, this is ready to acquire an Spectra. So the only thing that we have to do is just click and acquire, but I'm gonna get these two in here. We have an SOP in here, which will show you what needs to be done. And also we have the performance reports, and this is what we're gonna be using to make sure that the Raman is behaving properly. So in here we have some Spectra, but actually we're gonna be looking at air. This is the one that we're gonna do it first. So coming in the computer, you're just gonna push acquire. Now this is gonna be used in here as the Spectra. As you see, we have 1,000. Here is 10,000, 2 average, which is the number of scans. But if you can see it, the Spectra is identical in this case. So now the next thing that we're gonna do is how to handle this the Spectra. There's only two things that you can do here. One is zoom in. If you click with the left, you create this square, and then you can zoom in anything you want. And to go back, you just double click on the same left on the mouse, right? And the right click, you can actually find the coordinates of the pigs. You just click on it and it will stay like that. Good. So now we're gonna look what is in the other tab, which is the Spectra. And here you can actually bring back all the Spectra. This is something that we did yesterday. So I'm gonna bring cyclohexane, no, this air, I'm gonna bring air here from yesterday. So it's gonna here, and you see there's two colors in here and they're identical as the one that I have yesterday. And also you can just remove it by clicking remove it, or bring in any other Spectra that you need to. The last tab is setup. Here you don't have to do anything else, but the only thing is you can switch from Raman shift to actually wavelength and nanometers. There's just two different units. And here, this is where you're gonna shoot down the machine. After you're done, you press here to shoot down. This is Open File Explorer, which is where you can actually go in the computer and look at your Spectra, which in this case, you have to go Documents, Calibration Files, and then you have the files that we already saved from yesterday. So coming back to acquisition, now we're gonna read one of these samples. We're gonna read ethanol.